My name is Atul Kumar. Today I am going to discuss quadratic equation. As all of us remember, the quadratic polynomial. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Why this is called the quadratic polynomial? Because the degree is 2. All the polynomial which have the degree 2 is known as the quadratic polynomial. Then what is the quadratic equation? First of all, we should know the equation. The equation has the two sides, like x plus y equal to z. It has the two sides. This is called the equation. If we equate the quadratic polynomial with 0, then it is called the standard form of quadratic equation, where a, b and c is constant and also a real number, and a should also not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. If we equate this example to the standard form of quadratic equation, then a is 2, b is 3 and c is 5. Let's take another example. 3x square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is 8 and c is 15. Let's take some more example, like minus 3x square plus 8x minus 4 equal 0. Here a is minus 3, b is 8 and c is minus 4. Let's take some more example, like 2x square plus 4 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is not available, but this is also a quadratic equation because of the degree. The degree is 2, therefore this is also a quadratic equation. Here a is 2, b is not available, it means b is 0 and c is 4. Now this is the quadratic equation. As of all we know, the it has the power 2, it means degree 2, so it has the two solution, it means the roots of quadratic equation. Now we know roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Let's see roots of quadratic equation. Here we know that it will have the two roots because it has the power 2. Let's see x, because we are discussing the quadratic equation of x. Let's x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And we have also the another one formula for the nature of the roots. We will discuss it later. First we take some example for the solution of roots of quadratic equation. For example, let's take x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 5 and c is 6. Let's see what will be the x equal to minus b. Here b is 5 plus minus under root b square, and b square is 5 square minus 4 into a into c is 6. Now formula is 2a, it means 2 into 1. Let's see, minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 24 divisible by 2. Let's see what happened now. Minus 5 now plus minus under root 25 minus 24 will be 1, and root of 1 is 1, so minus 5 plus minus 1 by 2, so this will be the x. it means x will be minus 5 plus 1 by 2, and x will be minus 5 minus 1 by 2. Here minus 5 plus 1, it means minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2, and second answer will be minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. It means we have the two solution, x equal to minus 2 and minus 3. Now we will discuss the next concept of discriminant for the nature of roots. Nature of roots. For nature of roots, we have the formula D, which is called discriminant D equal to B square minus 4AC. So we will take an example here. Again, let's take the example, this example which we have discussed earlier. 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a will be 2, b will be 3, and c will be 5. If we put the value of these a, b, c in the formulas D, here b will be 3 square minus 4 into a into c. 9 minus 4 to 8, 8 5 40. Let's see what will be get, minus 39, which is less than 0. So what will be the condition for the roots here? We have the three condition for D. If D is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Second one, if D is less than 0, then roots are not real. And the third one, if D equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. For above example, here D is 0, so its roots are not real. Let's take some another example. X square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 4, and c is 2. Let's check the nature of roots for by putting the value in D, formula D equal to b square minus 4ac equal to, what will be the b is 4 to the square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. Let's see, it's 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8, which is greater than 0. It means it has real and distinct roots. Okay, let's take some one example. X square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 6, and c is 9. So a is 1, so then put the value of d equal to b square, it means 6 square minus 4 into a into c. Let's see what happened. 36 minus 36, it is 0. It means d is equal to 0. D is equal to 0, it means we have the last one condition, this one condition, it means it has real and equal roots. If we find the value of x here, x will be x equal to minus b, and minus b is 6, minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is nothing, just a d, and here d is 0. And what will be the 2 into a is 1, so we can write this minus 6 by 2. It means answer is minus 3, and here both the answer will be minus 3 plus 0 and minus 3 minus 0, both will be the 0. It means x is minus 3 and minus 3, which is equal roots. It means here equal x has the equal roots. So this is the concept, basic concept, all the concepts of the quadratic equation. So this is basic concept of the quadratic equation, and thank you.